Sam. Sam, I am. I am Sam. I'm Sam, I am. I do not like that Sam, I am. Isn't it good next Sam? Would you like green eggs and that's Sam I am, that's Sam I am. I do not like that Sam I am. Would you like green eggs and ham? I do not like that green eggs and ham. I do not like it. I do not like it. I do not like it. I do not like green eggs and ham. It's pretty funny. Would you like them here or there? I would not, cannot. Would you like them if in a house? Would you like them if a mouse? Not with a mouse. Not with a fox. Would you like them with a fox? I would not, cannot. It's worth a fox. I do not like green eggs. I do not like it. Eat them, eat them. Here they are. Eat them. Here they are. I would not put them in a tree. Not in a car. Don't let me be. A train. Could you with you on a train? I would not put on a train. Say in the dirt. Here in the dark. Where could you in the dark? I would not in the dark. Would you you in the rain? I would not, could not in the rain. You do not like that green eggs and ham? No, I do not like that. I am. I do not like that. I do not like it. I do not like it. Green eggs and ham. Was it cheesy with a dope? Was it cheesy with a dope? Was it cheesy with a goat? I would not cannot with a goat. A train. A boat. Could you on a boat? I would not, could not on a boat. Now, let me be. I do not like that, Sam. You do not like this. I do not like that. You do not like that, Emma. You do not like. Try them, share them, and you might try. You try them. Some ice. Some lemon bees. I will try them. We'll see. He's trying them. Say, I like peanuts and ham.
What happened, Owen?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Did he like the green eggs and ham?
Yeah. He do like green eggs and ham.
Do you like that book?
Yeah.
What other book do you want to read?